What up, what up, what up, what up, guys? How you doing, gals, everybody? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. I have 3 new stocks. They have received a lot of attention over the last, yesterday and the day before. And I want to share them with you. And so, we'll go into them one by one, and I'll tell you what they are. 2 of them are traveling, and 1 is an energy company. So the first one, the ticker symbol is HP, and that stands for energy, and it's an energy and oil stock. It has dividends. It has a long history of doing really well in the stock market. A lot of institutions own this stock. 91% of the stock is owned by institutions, and like 0.5% is owned by people like you and I. That was a fact. That was just told to me by my YouTuber. It's globally known. They do work in Africa, they do work in Europe, and then there's other countries too. And so it's right now at $24.92, and it went, I'll tell you this, the past week, it went up 6.92%. The past month, it went up 60%. You could see a possible pullback on this stock, or you might just see the stock continually going up. So, with Biden being president, this is a good stock to own, for sure. And its history shows that it is. And you can do, you can swing trade this stock or hold on to it for a long time. It's established. That's a great way to say what I'm trying to say. And right now it's $24.92. A good entry point would be somewhere between $20 and $23 if you can. But if not, you might see it just go up and you might have to wait. I always hate when that happens. Sometimes I just do it now and then see what happens, and whatever. If it goes down $1, it's too big deal. So the next company is Royal Caribbean, and the ticker symbol is RCL. Right now, it is $83.20. At the time of the video, when it was made that I watched, it was $82.73. So this stock has already gone up, and it's gone up like 50 cents since the time of the video and the time that I made this video, which is at 11 o'clock a.m. or p.m. And so with Royal Caribbean, it's recovering really nicely since the pandemic, and it's almost close to $100 a share. So it's just got a good steady wave going up. And if vaccinations come out, you could possibly see the stock go up. If we get more lockdown orders, you could possibly see it go down. But Dave Lee thinks that its potential is more greater, that it will go up than down. And if you guys think outside the box and longer term, with these vaccinations coming out, once they come out, people are going to get out of here and go on a trip. Trust me, I would if I had the money. So you could possibly swing trade this stock too. That's another thing that, you know, I was told. But you have to be careful because of the lockdown potential. And if institutions sell off, that could be a big thing, or investors. So you got to handle your risks wisely. But swing trading all month December. You can swing trade this all month of December, or you can just hold on to this stock. Either way, you'll probably make some gains off of it. So if you have some money, I do not have COVID, by the way. All right, I was tested last week. I do not have COVID, and I'm not around anybody. So just to let whoever's watching this know that. All right, okay. I don't know. I just thought of that in my head. Last one is American Airlines. That stock went up $2 on yesterday. I just looked at it. Was it yesterday? If today's the 3rd, right? Oh shit! No, never mind. It's not. Anyways, the stock's gone up since the time of the film, and I have seen the stock slowly go up because I watch it, and it's in my airlines company watch list. And so if the stimulus package gets passed, you're going to see two things happen. American Airlines go up, and you're going to see Boeing go up. And you can swing trade both of those because I've done it before. Well, at least Boeing. But American Airlines, that's much cheaper. It's $16.40. And the high of it was $30, and the low was $8.25. So it's sitting at $16.40 right now, and you can you could see this go up to $20 or to $25. But it's a long-term hold. But during that time of it going up to that price, swing trade the hell out of it, baby. Come on. That's like, you know, this channel is part of it. It's the coolest part is like, I get these companies that I get to give you and I get to learn about. And, you know, for the most part, they're companies that you can make some money off of, you know, and I think that's pretty cool. And I know that there's people that are watching this too that have, you know, some of you have commented on saying thank you and you're welcome. I'm happy to have made you some money because, you know, it feels good to help I like helping other people. So, he also started mentioning, and I don't know if this was a sales pitch or if this is real, because it is real too. But you remember about the EV stocks and the Chinese company and the deal with, what was it called? A company. I did a video on it before. I forgot what it was. Candy. And, you know, there's those investors that made 168. If you didn't hear this, they made $168 million. They took of U.S. investors' money. It was like a tweet. It was like a you know, to someone, or I don't know. I'm not going to get involved in that. But NIO and XPeng, there's a lot of catalysts for NIO right now. There's a NIO, like, you know, show going on in China coming up soon, and that might bring the stock up. It's like $43 or something right now, or I don't have my thing in front of me, but I'm not positive, but it's up roughly that. If it goes below $40, get in on it. If you feel like NIO's like a solid stock for you and it's gonna do well. And XPEV is $49. If that gets down to $40, it can get lowered, because I remember buying it at $37. And then it went all the way up to $75. So I remember that ride. And I don't know if you guys do too, but that was cool. So, you know, this month of December there's all different reasons and ways to make some bank, you know, and, you know, this is just one example, or some of the examples. So I hope you like this video. If you got any questions, send me a message. Thank you for sending me a message, somebody about a stock. I appreciate that. You know, let's help each other out. You know, it's not just me always helping you out. But I understand that you guys, and I understand that we are beginner investors. If you're watching this channel, you're probably a beginner investor, unless you're doing something else that's really like smart, and I don't know. But you know, because I don't know much, so I'm not gonna go on and on, but you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor and I don't know anything about that, but I got common sense and I stay on top of things. So that's the cool thing that you guys can get. All right, so have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.